What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another quick little informative one today. We're going to be jumping on the Supra and I'm going to remove the tail lights for you. Now, anyone who's pulled these out before, you know how simple it is, but anyone who hasn't, you might be a bit apprehensive, especially seeing as though these cars are going stupid in price, which I don't like, but they are. So obviously parts are crazy expensive. So if you're in there and you're pulling out your tail light, you're afraid you're going to break it, obviously I would be too. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it so you don't break your tail lights, you don't have to go and buy some stupid expensive pair of tail lights. Now, if you do like this content, guys, if you like the videos, if you like my vibe, hit like, hit subscribe. Honestly, it helps the channel out so much. Until I get to 1,000 subscribers, I am quite limited on this platform. Also, Instagram, all my stuff's in the description. If you can like me on there, follow me on there. I don't know if you like people on there, but you can like my posts. Until I get to 10,000 on there, again, very restricted with things I can do. Makes things harder for you guys. I can't do swipe ups, things like that. So if you can go on there and follow me on there, that'd be choice. So without further ado, let's jump on in and I'll show you how to pull out these tail lights. Alright guys, so to pull out your tail light, it's super simple. It's literally this screw, and then it just comes out. So I'll quickly pull it out so you can see exactly how easy it is. So you don't have to stress. I'm gonna do this one because this lock does kind of hold it up a little bit. You just kind of need to finagle it out, but it's all good. It's not gonna break anything. It just slides over it. So I'm gonna do this one for you just so you can see how easy it is. And that's it, guys. It's literally that easy. As you can see, that's the only fitting there, and that's the only one there. Now you have got a locating pin back here, which just slips into the back, and you can just slide it over that locking mechanism. The other side is even easier because you don't have to worry about that. As you saw, I put my screwdriver down here and just gave it a little pop, just because then it pops off of there. Be very careful when you do that. If it's really jammed, don't do it. No, but it shouldn't be because there's nothing there to jam it, you know? It's just those fittings. So that's it, guys. Tail lights, easily removable. So if you want to do like a Series 1 to a Series 2 swap, or a JDM to a Euro swap, or anything like that, it's really easy to pull the hardware out. Now keep in mind, if you are doing the Series 1 to 2 or to the Euro, the plugs may be different. You're gonna have to look into that yourselves. I will never actually swap mine. Mine is a Series 1. I'm keeping it as a Series 1. I'm not gonna try and dress it up and be like, hey guys, it's a Series 2. It's not. And I actually prefer the black housing that these come with. When I pull my headlights apart, I'm gonna be painting the housing black in there as well, so it all matches. Yes, I know that looks like a Series 2, but I'm just doing it because it matches. So don't at me about that. I'm not trying to make it look like a Series 2. If I was, I wouldn't have the park light in there, okay? So, hope that helped everyone. Get in there, do them yourself, save yourself some money, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.